Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update receipt tracking with Shoeboxed for better tax write-offs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your receipt tracking with Shoeboxed for better tax write-offs, start by logging into your Shoeboxed account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your receipt management tools. Select the Upload Receipts option to begin adding new receipts. You can either upload a scanned copy of your receipt or use the Shoeboxed mobile app to take a photo.
Ensure that the images are clear and legible for accurate data extraction. Once uploaded, review each receipt for data accuracy. Shoeboxed automatically categorizes receipts, but you can adjust these categories as needed. To do this, click on the receipt and select the appropriate category from the drop-down menu. If you have multiple receipts to categorize, utilize the bulk edit feature for efficiency.
Next, add tags or notes for specific expenses that require further clarification. Consider setting reminders for when to upload receipts regularly to keep your tracking updated. After categorizing and tagging, check that all receipts are marked for tax purposes. This helps when calculating your write-offs during tax season. If your receipts need to be exported, navigate to the Export option. Choose the format that best suits your needs, such as CSV or PDF. Once the export settings are configured, proceed to download your categorized receipts. For added convenience, integrate your Shoeboxed account with your accounting software. This can streamline your financial records and improve data accuracy. Regularly review your receipt and expense categories to ensure they reflect your spending habits. Finally, remember to keep your receipts organized throughout the year for maximum efficiency at tax time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.